Hi everyone, today we will be looking at the correct application of keywords. All students benefit from making use of keywords. Without using keywords, one will never study correctly, no matter what your unique learning profile is. More so the student with a fine motor hindrance, as they have to keep note-taking to an utmost minimum. How? They have to stick to the use of keywords only. If you are not sure about your lateral dominances, the best advice I can give you: be cautious of long note-taking because it can tremendously prolong your studies. The key is using keywords. What is a keyword, and how is it used? Keywords form the basis of note-taking. It unlocks your brain's memory section. How do we identify keywords? 1. Start by getting a broad view of your work. How? Read through the table of contents/headings and subheadings. Understand your work. More about this in a video on the PST method developed by Annie van Tonder in 2001. 2. Now start to search. Read through your work. This is a step-by-step process to find keywords. 3. You will find your first keyword in your heading. Always underline the keyword deriving from a heading. I always choose one letter to represent the main heading or the theme of the work I study. I will provide an example. Let's say our main title is deforestation. I will write out deforestation once, and that will be on the top of my page where I start my summary. I will then choose a letter to represent the heading. I choose F. I will then draw a circle around F, and because it is deforestation, I will draw a red cross over the F that will replace deforestation throughout my summary. Do you have any idea how much time you save with one simple trick like this? 4. Work through a paragraph, underline the word that stands out, which best explains the work. 5. Go a step further. Take all the underlined words and choose only one word per sentence/idea, only important sentences/ideas, to help you recall the work without looking in the handbook. Highlight these keywords if possible. Right brainers, take note here that you do not need to incorporate the underline part. You can use many different kinds of highlighters. Open them all up and place them in front of you. As you read, you identify the keyword for each sentence, and you immediately highlight it with a color. Put back the color and take the next color for the next keyword. Why would I recommend that? Listen very carefully. What I am going to say is very important. You are kinesthetic, that means you need to move to learn. Have you noticed how difficult it is to sit still for a long time? It would be best if you incorporated movement into your studies to make it more successful. Better to use colorful highlighters than pacing up and down the room. Left brainers, be very careful with colors. Choose one color and stick to it. Do not use many different colors. Your brain finds it confusing, and you will take longer to study the colorful. I love yellow. I always highlight with yellow. We are all unique though, choose what works with you, but if you are left brain, instead stick to only a few colors, and if you are right brain, go for it. 6. These keywords may now be put onto paper. There are many different ways, but that will be dealt with in upcoming videos. 7. What are the characteristics of keywords? Keywords are usually nouns or verbs. Try never to use adjectives, pretty, hard, etc. Sometimes the keyword you choose will differ from mine. Neither one of us is wrong as long as your keyword activates your brain in recalling the work. Never repeat the same keywords over and over. Restrict yourself in using the names of people. Believe in yourself. Believe you can do it. Don't be negative. It only takes practice and will simplify your studies immensely. Happy studies. Annie.